Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create your own Deno CLI. So before we get started, you need to make sure you have Deno installed on your PC, and also make sure you have installed the Deno extension on your favorite IDE, because I think they support most of the IDEs now. So let me show you the extension. This is the extension that I'm using. This is the official Deno extension. Let's go back to the workspace. Now let me quickly enable Deno on this workspace. I pressed Control Shift P. I'm using VS Code and initialize. I don't want linting. I don't want unstable APIs for now. And okay, now let's create a new file. Hello.ts. Now we are not going to do some fancy stuff here. We just want to create a very simple hello world CLI. We pass in some arguments and it parses them and console log the message. That's it. So there is a there is a library called flags. Let me just import that. It's a standard library. Okay. Once we've imported this library, we actually don't need this library, but it'll just make it simple to parse the arguments. Let me quickly resolve it. And okay, now it exports a function called parse. I'm sorry. Okay, now before we continue, we want to see what's inside of the Deno argument. So let's just make a console log here. Deno.args. That's it. I don't know why this gives me a warning. It says remove it. Let me just restart the language server. Let's see if it works. Should work probably. Okay, yeah, it works. So let me just save this file and run it for now. Deno run hello.js. I'm gonna pass some arguments here. Hello world. Okay. Now we can see we have an array that contains all the arguments. Set this out. Close this terminal. And here we want to extract the message from our arguments. Build the parse function. Pass the arguments. And then console log the message. Message from our first CLI. Yeah. Okay. That's the message. We just save that file. Run it again. This time we're gonna pass the message here. Hello world from Deno. And run it. Yeah, we can see a message from our first CLI, hello world from Deno. Okay, that's it. So yeah, we can just install the CLI on our system and use it later. Let me quickly show you how you can do that. Deno install -a. So -a for all the permissions for now. It's not recommended to use this flag, but for now we will just use this flag. Because Deno is secure by default, we need to provide permissions. This program doesn't need any kind of permission, but just for the sake of your knowledge. I'm just telling you. So Deno install -a hello.js and press enter. Existing installation found. Okay, I think I have already installed this maybe earlier, so I'll just put another flag -f. It forces the installation. Let's try again. Okay, now that the CLI has been installed, we just need to run it like this. Hello. Oops. Let's just execute it, and you can see we have successfully installed our CLI on the machine. Now, in the next part of the video, I will show you how you can publish this CLI on Deno land and use it on other devices. Okay, thank you very much. Leave the comments below and uh, I hope you will like the video, and please let us know something is remaining, or maybe you want to know something else. Let us know. We will create a video about that in the future. Thank you very much. Have a good day.